Hey there, my amazing viewers. Welcome back to InfoPie. Today we're diving deep into a topic that impacts many of us, managing blood sugar levels without giving up the carbs we adore. Today I've got for you 6 comprehensive strategies, backed by scientific research that will empower you to enjoy carbs while keeping those blood sugar spikes under control. So, let's get into the details. Strategy number 1. Minimize foods with a high glycemic index. First things first, let's talk about the glycemic index. It's a measure of how quickly a particular food can raise your blood sugar levels. Choosing carbs with a low glycemic index is key. These include lentils, quinoa, Greek yogurt, and whole grains. Low GI carbs break down more slowly, leading to a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This not only helps in managing blood sugar levels, but also provides a sustained energy boost. Detailed glycemic index charts can be found on reputable sources like the Harvard Health Blog or the American Diabetes Association. Moving to number 2, eat foods in the right order. The order in which you consume your foods can significantly impact blood sugar levels. Start your meal with non-starchy vegetables, move on to protein, and then add your carbs. This sequence helps slow down digestion, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar. Additionally, it keeps you feeling full for an extended period, reducing the temptation to overeat. This principle is supported by a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, which found that altering the sequence of meals improved glycemic control in individuals with type 2 diabetes. And that brings us to strategy number 3. Eat starchy foods after retrogradation. That might be new to some of you. It's a fascinating process called retrogradation. It is a process where certain starches undergo structural changes after being cooked and then cooled. During this process, starch molecules realign and form a more resistant structure. This resistant starch is less digestible by the body, resulting in a slower breakdown and absorption of carbohydrates, which helps in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that cooking starchy foods such as rice, pasta, and potatoes, refrigerating them, and consuming them the next day after reheating leads to a lower glycemic response. Some studies suggest that freezing bread, thawing it, and toasting it before consuming will also have an improved postprandial glucose response. Strategy number 4. Add vinegar to your salads and starches. Now, let's explore a small yet impactful addition: vinegar. The acetic acid in vinegar has been linked to a lower glycemic response. Studies have shown that vinegar ingestion can effectively reduce the glycemic response to a carbohydrate-rich meal. Consider incorporating vinegar-based dressings in your salads or adding a splash to starchier dishes to not only enhance flavor, but also to help manage blood sugar levels. And here's number 5. Don't eat naked. Carbs. Let's address the concept of not eating naked carbs. Consuming carbohydrates in isolation can lead to a rapid digestion process and quicker spikes in blood sugar. The solution? Pair your carbs with a source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. This combination not only slows down the absorption of glucose, but also keeps you feeling satisfied for a more extended period. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition revealed that combining carbohydrates with protein improved postprandial glycemia compared to consuming carbs alone. Now let's discuss the last strategy on our list: exercise or walk after meals. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the power of movement. Engaging in physical activity after a meal, even if it's just a 10 to 15-minute walk, can significantly improve glycemic control. A study published in Diabetes Care demonstrated that a post-meal walk effectively lowered blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. This is because exercise helps your body utilize glucose more efficiently, preventing those undesirable post-meal blood sugar spikes. It's a simple yet impactful addition to your routine that can make a substantial difference. Keep in mind that these strategies may not be universally effective for everyone. Monitor your blood sugar response to determine the most suitable approaches for your individual needs. That's all for today, folks. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more health content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.